What up, what up? Ready ho, ready ho. Turn to meeting. Get this on the go over here. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, okay. What up, what up, what up? Welcome everyone. Let's just get Telegram on here. Good morning. Let's just take a look over here. Welcome, welcome to a new day. Let me just go over here and put on some stuff over here. Copyright. Wicked, wicked morning, morning. I'll play that one again. I quite like that one. Alright, okay. Let me just do this. Here we go. Nice. So welcome, welcome everyone. It is Tuesday, and we're going to be ready to take some nice trades over here. Let's just get this all sorted. Let's get this like here. Nice. So let's take a look at some charts over here, and then you said good morning. I'm about to go to sleep. It's morning here now. It is morning here. Beautiful. Let's just wait over here. Welcome, 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 welcome. So we're just gonna look up over here. Why is it's not loading? Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Why are you not loading? Let's take a look at Gold Wonder as well. Oh, this is looking good for gold over here. I think people in my mentorship are taking some trades over here now. Let's take a look over here in the hourly. Yes, 28 minutes left. Oof. Boys, nice entry. So it looks like they're taking some buys over here. Nice. Looks like they're coming up to 10 pips over here. Looks pretty good to continue the 30-minute salary play. Hourly coming above. Looking good, looking good. Adnan, I'll take a look at your trade in a second. I will take a look. Right, wicked. Let me just drink some of this coffee over here. Now the COVID scam is nearly over, the climate. I was gonna tell. Oh god. Oh god. Wow, it looks like it really is blasting off over here. It's pretty good. Why the fuck's GJ not working? Here we go. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I got some. I saw that there was an Apple event yesterday. Very happy about that. I'll be copying stuff from the Apple event. Oh yeah, take a look at that in a second. But first of all, let's take a look at GJ. We are bullish again yesterday. Let's get rid of these time zones. We were bullish, but it looks like we just rejected these highs over here. Damn. So it looks like we came up and it was like, nope. Oh shit, why is it not saving? Why? Why is it not saving me? 1 second. So it looks like everyone got stopped out. Oh, look at that retracement. So it looks like people got stopped out of break even over here. Why can I not? 1 second. Oh no, is it on? Why the fuck's that not working? Holy shit. Ah, here. Here we go. So this is the 4-hour flip, and then this is the daily flip over here, guys. Beautiful. Right, so looking at it on the hourly time frame and the 30-minute time frame, we seem to be rejecting a certain level over here, right around about the 4-hour flip, which is at 157 250 level. Looks like we are rejecting that. Can't even use trading view on mobile. All around, even I'm having that problem. Yeah, it looks like I've got it now, but it looks like it was a bit of a pain in the ass. Let's take a look for sells. For me, sells are going to be looking nice. There's the 4-hour support. So, let me unmute that today. Just turn that off today. Very, very loud. The boys are. Oh no, they all just got hit out and now it's running. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, that should continue. Look at that 1 minute though, just coming back in. Madness. I'd wait for this 30. 30 has closed, hasn't it? I'd probably wait for the hourly. So yeah, sells for me are going to be when the daily's flipping. I'm trying to see some zones. Let's see where this was. This is 7 o'clock. Yeah, so for me, let's see how big this zone is. So, if I got into sells around about this level, I think this is way too short. Yeah. So for me, it's going to be sells below here. So we are in this little range, unfortunately. But I think for me, I'm going to be looking for key sells below 156.689. It's going to be nice targets. Beautiful. Big range, but messy as fuck. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty messy over here. Not the best. We're going to take a look at Forex Factory as well. Yeah, London recently has not been the best, but what can you do? What can you do? 1 second. I'm just gonna do a. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the squad. Literally just started it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep on going. Let's look at the news. Right, beautiful. So looks like GJ. Yeah. So what time is this? At 7 o'clock. Yeah, we came up and it was like, nope. But for me, as I said before, it is a choppy range. Look, the 4-hour has got 2 hours and 23 minutes left. Hasn't exceeded the lows yet, so, you know, this could potentially make the lower wick of the 4-hour and then continue. But for me, it doesn't look like there's any options at the moment. This is range. Asian looked like it blasted off again, so. Do you know live forex trading with HTG? He's from London. Yeah, I know him. I know him. So let's just take a look at gold over here. Let's get rid of this one. So it looks like these guys are alright with these gold buys because they're rejected pretty hard over here. So let's take a look at the horizontal lines. This is the daily time frame. Nice. Oh, yeah. Trading view is definitely lagging today. Because that shouldn't be happening. Yeah, what the fuck? This is the 4-hour anyway. I'll move this here. Okay, so price looked pretty bullish. What time was this? At 6:30 was the volume today. Damn. 6:45. Nice. So price is making support at this level. So let me just draw the support line, which is around about here. Nice. So 1773 was the big support line. Decent. And clean candles to the left over here. So, you know, good potentials to come back up and tap 1780. Has had a little bit of a rejection over here. So the main resistance we have right now is here. It is here. So for me, a closure above could be nice. I like the support forming over here, but yeah, we'll have to see 30 minutes time, not 30, 21 minutes time where we can close over here. So yeah, if you guys haven't liked the stream yet and you're just coming on, make sure to like the stream and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road for Tuesday. So yeah, GJ is coming down. We'll take a look at GBP AUD, and then I'm gonna look at some fun stuff while we are waiting for these setups over here, because it looks like it's a bit of a slow day. Again, shock. Let's take a look at the daily for GBP/AUD. Wow, holy shit, this has ran down a lot over here. 4 hour coming down now, pushing. Looks like Asian. Asian's bringing all the volume in at the moment. Like, there's some madness going on with Asian at this moment. But we know, like, I remember Asian towards Christmas being so fucking shit. So I don't think it will last too long. So we have a support zone at 1.84250. We had resistance forming at 1.85335. Fucking hell, this has dropped a lot. This is Asian. I mean, Asian's on fire right now. God damn.
Hello?
Hello, hello, hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Oh, okay.
How you doing? How you doing?
I'm alright, man. This is a bit weird, but anyway.
Yeah, boy. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, I mean, buys are going to be nice above. Let's take a look where the daily closed. The daily did close bearish though, so that is a bit of a pain in the ass. And it is a bit of a crap zone. So for me, I'm only going to be looking for sells below the zone over here. I want clean candles right here. So, bro, can you please explain what an onion play is? Yeah, so an onion play is exactly like this. So I call it just support for me. And I'll show you what an onion play is. Let's take a look over here to my setups. So this is called an onion play here. So onion play, support forming, all the same thing. It is where price breaks a zone, comes back, retests the resistance, and now it's acting as support, and then continues. So yeah, that's all it is. Onion play, very very easy, very very simple. Someone said, bro, can you please, yeah, bro, Asian has been on one for a couple of weeks now. Yeah, man, like I've seen a lot of volume there. You are becoming a fan of GA. Yeah, I am actually. We took a GA trade yesterday on the mentorship. It was beautiful. If Asia a lot of volume, London is that like monkey? If Asia, yeah, if Asia's a lot of volume, normally London is ass, to be honest. For gold though, let's take a look where this daily closed. Pretty strong over here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. 4 hours coming up over here as well. Does look good for some buys, to be honest. But I'm gonna wait for 18 minutes because it looks like this 5 minute over here is messing about. I'll take a look at GBP/USD as well. If you guys are in the Discord, make sure to put some charts in. Also, guys, I know a lot of people have joined, right? 266 people have joined. 341 people have joined, and 266 people haven't clicked the button. Have clicked the button. So there's a lot of people who haven't. Nearly 100 people. So if you guys haven't clicked this button, you're not going to see anything. And I'm doing a big update on this very very soon. I'm getting my coder to do all that kind of stuff. So make sure you put some charts in for the stream here, and I'll take a look at them. But yeah, guys, if you guys have joined the server, make sure to click this button. If you don't click it, you can't see any of these tabs. You literally see nothing. It'll be useless. So make sure to do that for sure. We'll see how many people can do that today. Wicked. 21 likes already, guys. Amazing. Thank you for joining me on this great day. So I want to check. I was going to go buy some new AirPods, but some new ones have came out, and I'm very very happy. So I'm going to be copying these today, I think. And the new MacBook Pro looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fat nerd, by the way, so this is like what I like. But yeah, they finally did. I was literally gonna order the second gen ones, and then I literally checked last night. I was like, oh yes. And it's like 160 quid, so like halfway between. So yeah, I kind of want to look into getting them because I want them for the stream. Because these headphones are fucking annoying. Like, I want a mic and be able to do that stuff. Oof. Look at this volume over here, GBP/AUD. Okay. We do know it has been moving a lot for Asian though, so I kind of want to chill over here. I'm also filming my first YouTube video, like not a YouTube video, my first proper edited one. Check out Raycon earbuds, they're mad good. Yeah, they're They're actually advertised everywhere. I see them quite a lot. HD voice face, yeah. I just fancy the AirPods. I didn't try the first ones. I've never had any pair, so yeah. Looks like gold is continuing over here. Nice. But that was a bit choppy. That 5 minute over here, bit of a pain in the ass. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So if you got in here exceeding the highs, where would your stop loss be? You'd probably have it below 15 pips. Ain't too bad, but yeah, it's a bit of a shithole. I like the new one. Looks nice. Yeah, same. Me too. Looks pretty cool. I can help with your Discord server if you ever need. Yeah, man. We need. I want to make it a proper server, like with lots of stuff in. For sure. People in Telegram as well. Make sure to send some charts in over here. Make sure to send some charts in. I can hear someone. Let me just mute. I can hear some little kerfuffle. Ooh, look at this 15-minute closing. Okay. 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 So this was the resistance. We've closed above resistance now. That's looking pretty decent. I mean, for me, as long as you get a nice lower wick, it could be quite good to continue. 5 minutes coming up. If you got in right now, where would the stop loss be? A 10 pip stop loss. Clean candles to the left. Let's look at the 30-minute. This could be quite nice over here. I may take that, you know. Gives me a little bit more of a lower wick. Oh, I might have missed it there. Might have missed it. Might have missed it. So people in there. I mean, this looks like a good. We've closed above. Closed above resistance. As long as you get a low wick right about this to this area, 1777.6, I think I may take that trade on the flip. So yeah, I'll be waiting for that. Morning squad. Morning everyone. Oh yeah, I got some cool intros over here. Look at these. These are fire. This literally cost me like fucking £5 on what was it called? On Fiverr. Oh, that's gonna exceed it now over here. But look at this. Look at this one. I think this one's pretty good. This could be really loud actually. 1 second. This cost me £5 on Fiverr. That one was sick. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, was it this one? Yeah, I like that one. This is in 4K as well. They filmed it in 4K. They did it in 4K. That's pretty cool. We got this one. I like that one. I think that one's the best one. I think that's pretty fire. Clean. Yeah, only £5, man. 5 is sick, man. I rate 5. I use it all the time. I think it's dope. That last one is heat. Yeah, that's what I thought, man. Pretty nice, eh? Pretty nice, eh? Right, let's take a look over here. I want a bit more of a lower wick, considering this one gave me quite a big low wick right around this area. And if we do start flipping, it could potentially. Or you could wait for the hourly, because the hourly has to make a bottom wick in 12 minutes time. So decisions. But I'm just gonna wait a bit more. If this continues, that's fine. So at this wick fill right now, I'd have my stop loss to break even, and want price to continue. So yeah, beautiful. So that would have been the trade over here, as long as we made a little lower wick. And you know, as the time goes, so this is the thing, right? Oh, I probably would have hit our break even there anyway. The thing is, right, the hourly has got 12 minutes left, right? So, you know, is it going to run off the whole time in 12 minutes? Maybe. But, you know, as this time goes down over here and we start coming towards the open, it's going to make a low wick for the hourly. So you either get in now and you take some profits, and if not, you're going to have to wait. 62 viewers, 28 likes. Make sure you like the stream if you guys haven't already. Let's get it. Hourly has no wick on gold. Is it concerning? It does have no wick. Sorry, it does have a wick. I think you may be looking at a different one to me. Maybe. Thank you for someone who subscribed before as well. Thank you very much. We're going to be hitting 1,200 soon. Mad growth, mad growth. What have we been doing this for a month, man? So yeah, GJ's just doing his own thing again. Shock. I mean, I'm fucking bored of GJ right now. I'm not gonna lie. GJ is making me very, very bored over here. Let's take a look at some more pairs then while we're here, because it doesn't look like the best price action again. No. Let's take a look at GBP USD over here. Kind of feel like I'm so unlucky with these runners. Yeah, I think as time goes on, you just have to get, you know, what do you mean unlucky? Do you I think people, you know, what normally happens with runners is some people just want their money and they take it out and then it runs 100 pips. And then when you try and do a runner, then it hits your runner. So you have to just do a runner every time, like every single time. Do it no doubt, and then do that for like a month, and then do it where you don't hold a runner on. See if you make any profits, and then yeah. You know, my webinar last week and the mentorship group was all about runners. So we talked about how, you know, it's your personal preference. The good thing about runners is they're break-even trades that you can just practice. You know. You don't have to be a master at them. Just keep on doing different things, maybe, and you'll start seeing some patterns and which one's good for what and stuff like that. Have you seen the price of the new MacBooks? Could buy a whole car. Yeah, they're pretty spenny, but they look pretty advanced. And like the thing is, most people, so like people who are buying these, right? Okay, so people who are buying these. Let's take a look over here. So it starts on 1,899, right? Well, first of all, everyone who buys them is normally in a company. The company normally pays, or if they have their own company, they get the VAT off. So what was it? 1,800, 1,900. So 1,900 times 0.8. So they get 20% off already. Mainly for the fact that it's VAT. I mean, obviously different places, but you know, in the UK, so 1,500, and then there's lots of different things they could do. You know, they can offset it with their taxes. You know, there's lots of things you can do with buying Apple products. It's quite tax efficient if you can do it properly, but you just need to talk to your accountant about that. Yeah, I'm liking the 16-inch one. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking it because it's got a good screen now. I want a nice screen. I was so bored. Of the fucking shit screen. I want a nice screen. It's got 120 hertz. So that's good. Like the screen I'm using now, this one's 165, and like when I go back to like 60 now, it makes me feel sick a bit. Oh, continuing over here. Nice. Beautiful 5-minute closure above over here as well. Very, very clean here. So it's ran up 20 pips from there. So 2-to-1 risk to reward on that little thing we talked about over here if you guys entered. And now what would you have with it? You have stops to break even because, you know, it's coming towards 8 o'clock. You don't know how price is going to react. I would have taken quite a lot off, probably at 80% at 20 pips. And leave the rest running over here to the left hand side. So we'll see if this break-even trade holds on. Your magic keys won't work on that Max. Yeah, I know. I'll still use my PC for that. It's just like for just traveling and stuff. To be fair, I don't know why I want it. I'm just a fucking Apple fanboy, so.
1, 2. Can you hear me, mate?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's still a bit muffled, to be honest. I wonder why. I wonder why.
Is it still muffled now?
Yeah, it's still muffled, bro.
You're joking me.
Yeah, it's still a bit muffled.
Hold on a second. Is that better? No. I'm gonna have to,
Wonder if it's the computer or something. I don't know.
could be. I'm gonna upgrade this shit anyway. You know what it is? You're actually freezing a lot, and I was wondering whether it was you, but it's me.
Yeah, I think it is. I can hear you a bit better there, but it is still a bit muffled. Yeah, I think you've always said that I'm lagging a bit, but I don't think people in Telegram, am I lagging? Not Telegram, in Zoom, am I lagging or not? Like, am I cutting out and stuff?
Nah, man, you look good.
Yeah, so I think it might be on your side, my man.
Must be me.
Nope. Beautiful. So yeah, GBP/USD over here, 4-hour bullish, daily bullish. It's actually exceeding the high of the daily. We are quite bullish over here now, starting to react off these lows that were formed at the end of September to then continue up over here. Nice, nice, nice. And what we're doing, let's look to the left. Okay, so our next zone and resistance is right around here. So we've got a nice 50, not 50 pip, like 20 pip zone to these highs over here. 27 pips, not too shabby. Did I actually check news before? GBP news, yeah, we got someone speaking later on, that's fine. Yeah, you just need to purchase parallels for Mac, yeah. That's what I did in my old one. Wow, look at that, holy shit. That was a nice trade over here. That was a nice trade. Nice trade. Beautiful. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet already, make sure to like the stream. Let's get them likes up, guys. Let's try and hit. I want to hit 100 likes soon, man. I want to hit it. I want to hit it, man. So look, I mean, delicious now for runners and that. Whoa, it's pushing nicely. Continuing up to exactly where we want to. But as I said, it is the 8 o'clock, so people in gold now, I'd probably secure some profits over here, because we know the hourly has to make a lower wick. So if you taking a trade, even though it looks potential to come up over here, it does have to make a lower wick. And it's like, if your runner stays on, you know, it's just how big the lower wick is basically to then continue and drive back up to these highs over here. So yeah, that 5 was sick. Like, look, the person did it in literally, I think that's a great website, you know, like what a great idea. Look over here, orders. Yeah, look, it was this one if anyone's interested. I'll do a 4K logo. Yeah, it's 4K as well. I can tell it is because it looks pretty good. And there you go. So I bought it at 11 o'clock and she finished it like at 7 PM on the same day. Max, what was your entry price? I didn't get into gold. It was I wanted the lower wick to be a bit more, but it was an opportunity for people as we closed above because the stop loss is nice. But yeah, the entry would have been 1.778.03. And look at this now, we're starting to retrace over here. So you know, with gold you have to be in and out very, very quick. Okay, you can't really hold it unless you can only hold it with you know, New York volume, because if you do get a push over here and it runs 100 pips, you're pretty good. But most of the time, you know, you need to get in and out, and you can always re-enter with gold. So Ted seems to take a lot of trades. They only last 2-3 minutes long. He gets his 10-20 pips, and he keeps on re-entering. He just does that like 5 times a day. Like yesterday, he made like 7% or something. Yeah, and then she just sent me them wicked. Yeah, £5. What the fuck? 5 quid. That's mad. Yeah, I really like that one. I want to ear rate me a bit more. Yeah, that one's sick. And it's like proper 4K as well, you can see it. It's delicious! Very, very nice. So yeah, still holding on with these runners over here, see how far we can go. Good morning to you all. Good morning, good morning. What about AudiUSD? Where is it going? Try and send me a chart and I'll take a look at that for sure. Let's see if there's any charts in Discord. No charts over here. Has anyone done any of the server rules? As I said before, guys, people in my server, make sure to click this button because you won't be able to see anything. We're coming towards the London Open, where volume is coming. Nice. Sick of GJ coming down over here. Tasty. We're going to be flipping the daily time frame. For me, it is very, very choppy though to the left-hand side, which is a bit of a shame. Where was this formed? To be fair, this wasn't really formed that early. The next support is here, which is not even 10 pips away. So yeah, we're gonna have to be careful over here in GJ, in a big range. But it has made, what do people call this? Like a double top or something. Double top means sell it now. Sell the double top now. Oh, beautiful. But yeah, what else do they do over here actually? Yeah, so they've finally made the bezels thinner, which I'm very happy for. It was pissing me off that I wasn't doing that. I've also just ordered an anchor thing as well. I'm such a tech nerd. If people are tech nerds, you'll relate. Like just technology. Like I just love buying shit like that. So I just bought this, the fast charger here. I just bought that. Apparently, like, cause my phone, because obviously I'm on it all day, like posting stuff, replying to people, doing all that kind of stuff. My phone battery just dies. Like it just doesn't fucking last long at all. And the charger over here is rubbish, the Apple one. So Anchor battery packs and stuff. Oh my god, I rate them so much. Just charge for the stream sale. Let's go. 1 second, let me just check the time. Okay, give me 1 more second here, and I'll take a look. It's a 4 hour coming right down over here. Nice. Hourly's coming up. So as you said before, it's making the top wick over here. Oh, that's actually staying in over here. Let's see if we can still continue. So what could you do with GJ here? I mean, GJ you could potentially get in on the flip over here, which would be flipping the daily, which is quite nice. But where would your stop be? Oof. Yeah, it's gonna have to make a big enough for me. For me to be interested in this needs to make a 10 pip wick. And then the drive down, the flip exceeding, and maybe we could potentially hit these lows over here. But I'm gonna give it a bit more time, because if this flips right now and I get in, a 6 pip stop is probably gonna be a bit too short for me. So yeah, we'll have to see over here. Let's take a look at gold. Ooh, as we said, look, the gold needs to make the lower wick over here. This is what I'm talking about. You have to be careful, stuff like that. GJ is flipping now. Oof. Oh, I might take this trade over here with a 10 pip. I might actually just keep it as a 6 pip over here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Take this trade. I can't write it, guys, so you're gonna have to be in very, very quickly over here. I'm actually just gonna be taking this trade very, very nicely. As it is a 6 pip stop loss, we are flipping. The 5 minute is looking tasty over here. Kind of want to continue. I'm actually gonna put my stop loss right about this zone over here, 10 pips. I think there's a lot of volume, and I think we should be good over here. Where is it there? So when we do flip again, I'm going to be entering the trade, because now we're making the top wick, which is what I want over here, which is going to be beautiful, beautiful. And then we can get the drive down over here, which is going to be tasty. Nice, look at this. So now we're making the top wick. So at this time over here, if we do flip this candle, it's going to be looking molto bene. So very, very happy to take this trade if we can. So let's take a look over here. Let's look at the 30 minute. Yeah, so strong 30 minute candle already, man. It's looking pretty good. But if it does come up over here and continues, then it actually is making some support. So I know, need to be careful over here. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, not too bad. So wait for the top wick. As I said, it is doing this now. Has made a 10 pip stop loss. Not too shabby. If we do reject these highs over here, could be quite nice to continue down. Look at the hourly, 4 hourly, yeah. So, you know, this is what I'm wanting to do now, because look, this is support. Now, this candle over here has came back up, tapped the zone. Now, if it starts coming back in the zone and closing the zone over here, this is going to be rejecting this, the support over here to come back up and close, and probably to fill this range up. If we come back now and flip, then we're really rejecting these highs over here, okay? But it's all to do with waiting for this top wick. As I said, you know, you have to wait for this top wick. Oh, so it looks like your runner would have stayed in over here. And look, it's continuing now. We are flipping. We should be continuing over here. Beautiful. Look at that. So up now. About 15 pips over here. That ain't too bad, eh? Whoa, look at GJ over here. Holy fuck. This is what I'm saying. Wait for that top wick over here, guys. You need to be careful. GJ fly. Yeah, man. So GJ looks like it's coming up over here, bringing some nice volume. I'm going to be looking for buys above on the 15-minute. That volume, yeah, man. Well, that's good. Thank God for that. A bit more volume in this bitch. The past like, week has been fucking disastrous. Buys above 157.257. Wicked. To then ride it back up to these all-time highs over here, which will be around about 10 pips away, and then continuing. So this will be flipping the 4 hour. Look what the 4 hour's doing now. 4 hour hasn't exceeded the low of the previous. Nice. We're coming up. We're going to be flipping it. So now we are rejecting them lows of it right here. So nice. This is why you have to wait for the top wick. This is the key zone that I wanted it to react on, and you can see I don't get faked out because I have to wait in this zone and see how it reacts. If this candle then started flipping over here, then this is really good time to take some sells. But it didn't. It came back up. It's going to be closing in the zone, I'm assuming, and we're going to be looking for some buys over here. So for buys, okay, we come up over here. We try and take some buys over here. Obviously, TP1 is going to be around about 357. So here. TP1. Nice. And where's TP2 over here? TP2 is going to be here. Actually, let's take a look onto the left hand side. See where we can do it over here. This is just me gearing up, so I'm ready to take some trades if we do come further bullish. Oh my god, where is the hourlies, bro? Because we haven't been here for so long. There's literally, I have to zoom out like so far. So TP2, this is the daily though. Let's take a look over here. Oh my god! To go all the way back, man. What the fuck? We literally haven't been here for years. Oh my god. Is this chart not loading? Yeah, it's not fucking loading. Oh my god, Trading View, you are a piece of shit. Anyway. Let's just set some TPs over here. I can't be asked to go any further. GJ sell? GJ sell? No, I wouldn't think so. I think sells are going to be nice below here for safe sells. I mean, if we do flip this candle over here, it could be good, but we have exceeded the high of the previous. I want to see how it really reacts on this zone over here. So if this candle over here in 7 minutes time closes, in the zone up above over here, then we are rejecting these lows and we are starting to come, and we should potentially fill this range. If it goes below over here, then it's really rejecting this zone and should be continuing down over here. Gold buy or sell? Gold is a buy at this moment, and we took that nice buy over here. Explained, we've got the closure above, and it's running pretty nicely over here. Damn, 20 pips, delicious. Ooh, wow, look at this over here. We are rejecting these highs again. Damn, son. Look at the hourly. The hourly's made the top wick now. Now, the issue is to get into this trade. I thought you were waiting for a bigger wick on gold for entry. Yeah, I was, Jay. I'm saying for people who didn't need the bigger wick. Nice closure above, because you could just have a stop loss here, which was 10 pips. It was a nice trade. But yeah, I wanted a little bit more of a lower wick. But I know a lot of people take it, and it's a trade that, you know, people can take. It's just for me, the lower wick would be a bit longer for me. So 6 minutes left. I really want to see where this candle closes over here. It's going to give me a bit more insight into where we are going over here, because 30-minute over here has exceeded the high, has exceeded the low. So, you know, you have to be careful in this time. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe, guys, and make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already. We are here every single day. Make sure to like the stream, helps me out a ton, and it means I could do more giveaways, so make sure to like that stream.
Dude, I'm out of here, mate. I've got to get to some appointment I've got to get to.
Ah,
Nice one, mate.
fair
Thanks very
enough, my
much,
boy.
yeah?
See you later, bro.
Cheers, bruv.
See you
Smash
later, my
it. Done a
man.
couple, few pips there, yeah? Wicked.
Yeah, boy. See you later, my man.
Nice one, bro. Bye,
Peace
bye, bye,
out.
bye.
Ah, fuck. That just raped me. Holy shit. Ow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this candle over here. Damn. So look at this volume from here to here. 20 pips. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Oh, okay. So 5 minutes time now. Look at this. Oh my god, this is looking good now. Okay. We are rejecting these highs over here. Damn. But in 5 minutes time, it's gonna give me the closure that I need. GJ sells? Yeah, I think so. I think GJ sells very soon because we are closing below over here. And if we do exceed this low and flip this 30, I think that could be quite nice. Let's just see how big this next stop loss is. And if this one closes in the zone, I'm gonna have to wait. Unfortunately. What's your TP on gold? For gold, it is. For me, it's 1780.8 or 9. But now it's a break even that people did. Like the stream, guys. Yeah, man. Let's like the stream. Get the stream up over here. Guys, what for GU? Let's take a look. GBP USD. Nothing really going on over here. You can start seeing price action isn't the best. Can you see that these prices, these candles are a bit, everywhere? So just chill. Just chill, man. Don't you worry. Just chill. CSK has more market share, as I told you. What is CSK? You keep even telling me this. Like, CSK doesn't mean anything to me. So 5 minute did close over here. I mean, if this 5 minute flips, oh my god. But I really want to see this 50-minute closing because look, if it closes like this, then it's a no-go for sells. If it closes like this, like that, then it's looking good because it's rejecting these highs over here and the body's closing below the zone. But it all depends on where the body closes over here. All depends, man. 77 viewers and only 39 likes. God dang it, guys. Let's get them likes up. Let's bring some energy into this bitch. Come on, let's get some likes in this bitch. Let's try and hit 50 likes straight away. Let's go. It takes 10 seconds. Does GJ range to the left not bother you, or you're relying on the volume push? I'm relying on the volume, but yeah, it does piss me off a bit. But I still think that if we do clum and flip this zone, it'll be with the hourly, and we should be continuing down with the volume. Hi Max, did you take any trades yesterday after losing impulse entry in GJ as most of the viewers lost dollars on yesterday? Most of the viewers lost dollars yesterday. Most of the viewers lost dollars yesterday. Most of everyone who traded lost money yesterday because of the GJ being a bitch. Yeah, I took a GA trade on NY. I took a GA trade, and I made 15 pips, which was, where was it? Closure above here. Oh no, it wasn't. Let's take a look where it was. Let's take a look where it was. What day is it today? 18th. Where actually was it over here? Was it this one? This one 15 pips? Oh yeah, it might have been. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Yeah, here. I think it was on this one over here. 11 o'clock, yeah. Exceeding this high, it's flipping the 30 minute. I got in on the flip, which was right around here. Yeah, and I actually tapped it out at the high over here, 15 pips. It was tasty. It was tasty. Gold's still doing nicely over here. Yeah, TP is going to be all over here, but you should be taking some. Oh, VCAM, you're pissing me off. I'm gonna. The fuck is CSK, you muppet? Did you change your risk on GA or your normal risk on GG? On GA I've put it to 0.7 less. So on GG I use 3.5 lot, and on GA I use 2.5 because normally the stops are a little bit bigger. It looks like, look at that. So it's came back to the supports over here. Exactly what we thought. So look, that's why you have to wait for candles to close over here. Now you're getting a closure back in the zone over here, so you have to be careful. Thanks, Brandon. That's fucking pissing me off. Wow, look at GPUSD over here. Not sure which direction GJ is going. Yeah, me too. It is closing in this next zone over here, so we have to be careful. Yeah, the hourly's still got 45 minutes left. It's a bit of a pain, so we just have to wait, play the long game, and chill. And chill. What else are they doing here? Oh, they do like cool hubs as well. Yeah, I got some nice cables as well. I hope it's coming actually. Let me see when this is coming. Let's take a look. Let's take a look over here. And then yeah, I'm gonna be buying that today, but I want to get my 20% off though. So if you have your own company, yeah, definitely always get the VAT off for stuff like this. Saves you some time over here. I hope these ones stay in, because like I think the first ones wouldn't stay in my ear. Like the left one for some reason just wouldn't stay in. This is showers, no sweat, bro. Can I listen to it in the shower? Shee! That'd be pretty fire. Wow, look at this volume coming in over here. So, let's take a look then. Let's get our fibs out. I know if people like the fib to see. Let's see. I bet it's gonna be a fib retracement on one of the zones over here. Let's take a look. So from this low to this high. There we go. Golden zone or whatever the fuck it's called. Nice. GJ, look GJ closer. Okay, let me look at it closer. 1 second. Why is the camera over here? Don't point me here. We're repping the merch again. I love this hoodie. It's sick. So yeah, I mean, mad. It is starting to close. So we close in the 15-minute. Back in the zone over here. Really respecting these lows. Nearly had the daily flip, but couldn't continue. Let's take a look. Ooh, runner would have got stuck out over here, I think. But I said, as I said here, you know, 20 pips, you would have taken out most of your trade over here. Have you opened your mentorship as your company, and do you pay yourself through that? I am asking. How will the banks look at you as you don't trust FX as an input? Yeah, I'm actually sorting that out right now, to be honest, because it's a bit of a pain in the ass. But yeah, kind of that. You're on the right track, yeah. I'm just getting an accountant to do it, to be honest. Because also, like, my IC markets is paying me quite good now, like with my trades. So I'm kind of like taking that out and stuff like that. Yeah, it's quite hard to do that. Guys, give the video likes. Come on, yeah, man, get the likes up, man. We here every single day, man. So later on, what do you expect? Well, we've got some news. Not the best news, not the most volatile news, so probably won't change too much. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a bit better. But GJ is playing over here, which is a bit of a pain. Hello, Dolly. Why have you got your light on, darling? Do you want to say hi to the stream? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, this is my sausage. This is my sausage. She's a little sausage, bless her. And yeah. And yeah. She just finished her nap and now she's ready for the day, ain't ya? Wow, she's so cute, man. I can't deal with her. She's so nice. Little Daddy. I also have a sausage, but it's a dapple. Oh, I love sausages, man. That's gonna be my first dog, man. They're so, like, they're just calm. They're just vibey. I like them. I think they're great crap. Thought you were talking to your child, though. Oh, coming down over here again. Look at the 30-minute now. Flipping. Are you planning on buying rental properties? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Rental properties are your friend over here. I'll probably buy some rentals before I buy my own house, to be honest. I'll probably buy like 3 or 4 rentals, because you know, if you have 3 or 4 rentals paying you £700 a month, you know, you just got 2,800 spendable income where you can rent anywhere and you can live wherever you want, and then they can pay for your, you know, your cars as well. So I mean, yeah, it's a no-brainer. No-brainer. Everyone that's wealthy has rentals, I'm telling you. So coming down over here, flipping the 30-minute, the hourly. Oof. This looks interessante. But how to get in over here? I'm gonna be waiting 10 minutes, I think. I want to give me the confirmation, because we have closed back in the zone over here. This could be making the low wick to then flip. So stop loss matters. Are you subscribed to Lee King Masak on YouTube? No. What the hell is that? I'm gonna teach you how to longboard with me. Do you guys think GU and GJ will flip bearish? Yep. I do have a feeling that GJ is gonna be flipping bearish over here. I do get a inkling. Why is this not updating? What the fuck? I'm looking for UJ cells below. Posted my chart on the Discord. Amazing, bro. I'll take a look at that in a second. So as I said before, guys, if you are new, you got trolled. Oh, leaking my sack. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm trying to get rentals in the future, but I'm worried as banks don't trust FX. Yeah, that's why you need a lot more sources, like for FX. Like for example, like my sources now of income on FX is quite a lot. Like I get payments from my Magic Keys, I get payments from my broker, I get payments from YouTube, I get payments from membership, I get payments from my, like, so I've got a lot of like things coming in over here. So yeah. So coming down over here, 1 second. I'm gonna take a look at some charts in a sec, but I need to get ready over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So 9 minutes left over here. And it's going to be flipping the 15-minute, the 30-minute, sorry. So no, there's ways to get in, right? You could just get in right now. Where would your stop be? Your stop's going to be way too big. So for me, I'm going to have to wait for this closure. Like, where would my stops be? Like, you tell me. I mean, like, well, like over here, like just like 17 pips away. I just think, I think this is gonna flip and it's gonna be nice. But for me, I'm just gonna wait 7 more minutes to the closure, wait for the top wick, and then the drive down. And if we don't get that, then unfortunately I can't take a trade because the stop loss is way too big. You have to know that. You have to acknowledge that. You know, getting in now, your stop loss would be fucking gigantic. So you have to just chill over here. You have to chill, you have to relax. So 0.48. Trying to look at where my stops would be over here. So taking some off around about 8.4. Okay. And then actually furthermore will be 700. Nice. And then furthermore, if we do break this zone over here, 550. So when I'm looking for targets, I'm looking for where support has held before. So that's here. There's a little bit of, we came up, make support. So that could be a resistance line now. 87 viewers, amazing guys. Thank you very much for being here. Magic Key's acting up since the update on MetaTrader. Really? Mine's been alright. Mine's been working perfect. I literally haven't had any problems with Magic Keys. Took this trade in the demo account. So simple. Okay. Right, I'm gonna take a look at some charts now while I'm waiting for this closure over here, guys. 91 viewers, 50 likes. Let's try and get them likes up over here, guys. We're gonna be looking at some charts. If you guys do want to send some charts, make sure to join the Discord, and I'll analyze them over here. You know, that's all I did with Raja. Just analyze the charts every single day, seeing what he saw. 1 second, it's just loading up over here. Oh, I can see a lot of volume coming in for GJ over here. Holy smokes! Okay, so break the trend. There was a little trend over here. Nice. Then came over down, waited for resistance to form. We had a 10 pip stop. Nice. That played out nicely. What time is this at? Is this just now? Or just a bit before London? Nice. So zones, I mean, tapping zones here would have been stop loss. Sorry, take profit, because that is where support is. But then, yeah, furthermore, you take into profits around about 20 pips. Beautiful. Worked very, very nicely. Very, very nice. Congrats. Yeah, so to people in the mentorship, I'm going to be posting that GA simulation. I actually filmed it, so I'll be posting that today. I actually finally made it work. And yeah, if you guys do want to join the mentorship and you guys need some extra help on mainly your risk management, your psychology, and you get 2 live streams a day, you get a webinar every single week, you get a drop-in session every single week. The link is right here in the chat, and it's only $49.99 for a month, and you only need like 3 months to be pretty on the ball with trading over here. And I update it every single day. I put in loads of stuff, outlooks, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys do want to join, make sure to head over there, and I'll see you for the NY session. So NY session starts at 11:30, and yeah, beautiful. So yeah, we are waiting for this closure in 4 minutes time. It's doing exactly what I want it to do. It's closing below the zone, so it is rejecting, which would be good, because when the 30-minute comes, we flip over here, I'll be flipping the hourly, and hopefully I can get a stop loss around about this area over here, which will be the top wick and then the drive down. That could be a good option. So yeah, beautiful, amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, what are you doing, bro? Liking the stream helps you and me. It helps me get more ad revenue, because more people will join, and then for you, because I give all my ad revenue away. Oh wow, new subscriber over here. We've got real website traffic for subscribing. Thank you very much for subscribing. Let's hopefully try. I think we could hit like 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers by December. I think we're doing pretty well. We're doing pretty good. I'm gonna check Discord in a second. I'm just waiting for this closure over here. Paying attention to this closure. Nice 3.5 lot ready to blast on this bitch. If you can come down over here, which will be pretty tasty. So yeah. Do, do, do. 79 viewers, amazing guys, amazing day as usual, man. We having some really good days on here. We're growing. Oh, GPUSD is reacting on the support over here. 30 minutes bullish, 4 hours starting to come up over here. Where's going to come? It's tapping the zone. Needs to see how it reacts, because this is support before. This could act as resistance. Obviously, it's got a lot of volume, so hopefully we can push above. Just made 10 pips. Amazing. Where did you make 10 pips on where? Let's get rid of that now. Where did you make your 10 pips? Streaming app name, please. OBS. OBS. And learning about it, you have to go on YouTube and you have to do your own research for stuff like that, because it takes a long time, man. Control effects help me about stuff like that, but yeah. So a minute's time over here. Yeah, apologies for kind of the volume over here for London the past couple weeks, but I can't really do much about that. But if you go back in August, we had some really good sessions, man. We took some lovely trades. But it's been chilling at the moment. So So we've got a minute's time to close. Let's take a look over here. How many server rules? Oh, 3 more people have done it. Amazing. Let's take a look at some charts of the stream. This is GBP AUD. Okay, nice. So you're waiting for the top wick. Wow, you got a nice stop loss. 5 pip stop. Sheesh. Amazing. Then start exceeding. Beautiful. Nice. Coming down. Yep, next zone will be tapping is exactly what it did. That was very nice. Great trade over here. I mean, there's selling opportunities all the way through Asian. Nice. Let's take a look at Walt over here. USD JPY closing below support. Nice. Waiting for the top wick and then exceeding and flipping. Has this happened yet? The only reason why I wouldn't take it is because the US isn't open. But let's take a look and see if this has worked over here. Can't apologize for that, mate. Let's just chill. Yeah, man. You can't do anything about that. But it's, you know, it's just testing your discipline. I'm telling you, in the good months we have March and stuff, bro. The amount of trades I take, like I could live off the money I made in March, for the whole year. Like it's that good. Let's take a look over here. Yep. So you did get the closure on the 30-minute. It looked like right around here. Made the top wick is what you're waiting for. Did exceed the lows over here. So it looks like it did come, but didn't hit 10 pips. But it looks like you may still be in this trade over here. So if you're in this trade now, let's take a look at the 30-minute. You wanted to get in the flip over here. I'd probably have the stop loss above this 15-minute. Yeah, like that. But you know, I don't know how the pair moves, so you know it's very hard for me to determine how to get into a trade over here in USD JPY because you know it's London time. It's London. There's London volume, but the USD isn't open. So you know the volume in USD JPY is going to be a lot less compared to something like GJ because GJ is oh, to be fair, GJ still looks like ass, but you know the volume that you know what I mean. The volume is what you need to be looking at over here. Gold has done the move over here. I think if you missed the move, that's fine. 30-minute has also closed bullish again, which is very nice. The 15-minute though, this was the entry, okay? This was the entry. This was the stop loss. That was the trade to be in. Take profit would have been, you know, some at 10 pips. That's a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and then at 20 pips for your runner. GJ is no trade zone. Yes, sir. GJ is coming back in, closing the zone. So what do we expect to happen? We expect this range to be filled over here, which is a shame. But GJ just choked over here, unfortunately. You can't really do much about that. 15 minutes over here. Nice. 15-minute did close bearish, but it closed in the zone. So very risky to take sells, unfortunately. But what can you do, eh? What can you do? Let's take a look at the hourly now. Still got 27 minutes left, though. Still got 27 minutes left. Price is starting to come down again. But yeah, you have to be very careful. You know, identifying these zones is you know, one part of trade, and you have to know when trades are a bit shit over here. As I said, let's have a look over here. One of my posts, let's take a look where it was. Here. Identifying when price action is not the best is just as important as taking a trade. Good traders can see when there are bad zones and sessions and will happily come to the next day and take no trades. You have to be able to do this over here. I'm in gold again. Let's take a look, Jay. Oh, on the 30-minute flip. Stop loss here. Nice. That should continue now, and hopefully you can hit RTP over here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Beautiful. So actually a lot of entries on here on gold. Waiting for the top wicks and waiting for the pushes. So there was one here. There was one, I think at 8 o'clock, was it? No. I suppose there was one at 8 o'clock here. Move stops to break even though because wanted the push. Yeah, exactly. You know, break even trades for gold are very common. You have to take a lot of things. Check GJ. Yeah, coming down again, wicked. But for me, you know, the 30 minutes close back in the zone. I mean, the hourly's coming, but it's just choppy for me. I don't like it anymore. You know, the support is here. I'm not liking it. No me gusta. No me gusta. So let's see if this trade helps for this guy over here. See if it works out. Day 2 of Ducky PA. Yeah, GJ just being very, very slouchy over here. But, you know, taking no trades is the way to save. Like, it's like this, right? It's like this. This is the analogy that I do, right? I always think of trading as like owning a restaurant, right? If you know, right, for some reason, for example, it's a Sunday after Christmas, right? I don't know what a time where there's not many people. If you like didn't have to, would you open up your restaurant? I wouldn't open up the restaurant if I knew, like, you know, one person's going to come in, you know, because I have to pay my staff, I have to pay for the food, I have to pay for the lights, I have to pay for the, you know, everything. I have to use my own time to get there. I would rather just sack the day off because, you know, I'm not going to have any customers and come tomorrow. That's exactly the same as this. What's the point in opening up your restaurant if you know from looking to the left, or if you know from looking at past times in your restaurant, that this day over here is not the best day? Okay, so, you know, if it's like a bank holiday on a Sunday and you're wanting to do some, you know, a club night out after a bank holiday, is always going to be dead. So, you know, try and do analogies like that. Why would you open up your restaurant if there's going to be no customers and you can close it? Why wouldn't you close it early, or close it to start off with? Helps out a lot. 98 viewers, amazing guys. We're smashing these streams over here. If you guys haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, what are you doing, man? We are approaching, look at this, 97 viewers over here. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. 1,185 subscribers. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to do that, man. Make sure to subscribe. Are you still in this trade, Jay? Should be looking good now. Should be looking good to continue over here. GPUSD is chilling. I don't like the price action on that. And GJ is still pissing about. God dang it. God dang it, man. GG.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Nice.
Up at break even.
Beautiful. Yeah, it should really continue over here. When did you get in again on the flip here? Or here?
I was at 3.6. Just before the flip.
Yeah, like here. Nice. Let's see if that holds in then over here. So, you know, with gold, especially, this is a great thing. So Jay's taken a trade over here. He's used the higher time frames. Look how bullish we are. We're looking good. Waited for the flip. But when it gets into profit over here, you know, it has rejection times. He's got all of the gain if it starts to run over here, but he's got a risk-free trade. You know, what I learned from Ted, who's a really good person who trades gold, is you know, putting your stops to break even is such a big part, and you need to be able to do that every single day. So now, look, Jay is flying. It's going to be hitting 10 pips. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. Good 50%. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh shit!
Whoa.
Sheesh! Nice. So nice trades on gold over here. So hit our TP over here that we looked for. The reason why it was TP is because we look left. It was support before. Now it has acting as resistance. And there you go. So look, he had a risk-free trade for literally that whole move. And if it tapped him out, you know, tough luck, you could always re-enter. Gold is a re-entering pair. For GJ, GJ is not. So GJ, I don't really re-enter unless I got a stupid entry. And I think the trade's, you know, fine now. But normally, if you get a good entry in GJ and it doesn't play out, I will never re-enter. Because normally it's because the price action is fucking garbage. Whereas gold, you can re-enter a lot of times. Especially with the trend. So look at this. Hourly was bullish, 30-minute bullish, 15-minute bullish over here. Just wait for the low wicks to form. And then get in on the flips or the highs or whatever. Beautiful. So it looks like you're running up quite nicely over here now. So you got a 20 pip trade over here, and was your stop on the wick right here?
Yeah, it was on the lower of the wick.
So you got an 8 pip stop for like a 20 pip gain. Beautiful. Beautiful. So taking them little bits out of the market every single day and learning, you know, these movements are very, very good. I mean, a trade here at 7:30 exceeding them highs were pretty good, which is what I wanted to do, but I was a bit late to the stream. And then every single trade after that, just wait for the closure, wait for the lower wick, continue. That one probably would have been a break even. This one makes the lower wick with the hourly, then continues over here. Beautiful. Very, very easy. Okay, what's your experience of trades taken on the new 4 hour after NY Open at around 2 p.m. GMT onwards? You know, it actually kind of depends on the day. You know, sometimes I see it just continuing straight away, not really making much of a top wick, and then making the top wick or the bottom wick later on, because you know the volume time normally just continues the trend. But on some cases, it does make the top wick or the bottom wick very, very quickly on the 4 hour. But you know, make sure you backtest that kind of stuff. It changes for different pairs, but that's for GJ for sure. That's exactly why I said everyone takes its own time. You just want to know his. I want to learn what he has experienced. Nothing wrong with that, mate. Wait, what's this? What did you say before? That's exactly why I said everyone takes its own time. I don't know. Are you speaking to me? Are you speaking to me, boy? 63 likes, amazing, guys. If you haven't liked the stream yet already and you've learned something today, make sure you like the stream and take in this garbage. How do you mark your zones? So for me, I mean, obviously this looks quite choppy over here, but so marking up zones is, you know, a zone is made of support and resistance. Okay, so first of all, you need to identify your resistance. So for me, the first resistance that we found today was this one. Okay, pretty obvious. You know, price came up, couldn't close above. And let's take a look on the 50-minute. I always kind of do my resistance levels in the 15s. Yeah, so look, you can see how many candles over here try to close above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 candles try to close above. This is clearly resistance, okay? And then we look at support. We go, where did price hold levels over here for a certain amount of time? Well, you can see here, we held it here, we held it. So this is a minor support. We can call that a minor support. Okay, so there's one of my lines. These little lines here are daily flips, so when the daily candle flips, and 4 hour flips, okay? Nice. And then the big supports are where price is held for a long time. So you can see here we came down, reacted, didn't close below. Here it came down, reacted, didn't close below. So this is a major support. So if we get closures below here, we're going to be looking for nice sells. And there you go. That's it. Bob's your uncle. And now you've got your trading zones. You know, this is a no trade zone. This is no trade zone really. Got some clean kind of candles over here, but you know, better sells are going to be down here. And there you go. That's all you've done. That's all you can do. Sorry. Wow, look at that. Shee! 27 pips, okay. Gold is flying over here. So, where's it coming to now? Well, we've got a little resistance on the 30-minute over here. Should tap 1782.2. And I mean, you know, getting actually here, to be honest, if this comes up, you've actually got a good one for a runner. To maybe continue back up over here.
Yeah, secured another 50% here.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to let the rest run all the way up.
Wicked. Class. I mean, very easy price action over here in the 15-minute. Shame I was looking at fucking GJs of this. Beautiful. There we go. So you see what I mean? You know, with gold, it can really pay off if you know, time where there's volume, time where there's, you know, the low wicks are forming, you're breaking zones. It can be very, very good. The 5 minutes over here as well, pretty good over here. Nice. Nice. W, I think everyone ate that gold trade over here. Tasty. What time is it now? Is it 8:45 over here? Wow. 8:45. We got a lovely thing over here, so let's take a look. Yeah, so it looks like this USD JPY didn't have enough volume to come down over here. That's why, you know, try not to trade pairs that, you know, aren't open. USD is not open and JPY is just closed. So I don't get why people try and trade this. Okay, so all you have to do is go like this. You have to go on stock exchange opens. All you have to do is do this, right? You look at the time zones you can trade, and then you go like this. You go on images, Let's take a look. That was a shit one. Target exchange. I like this one. Here we go. So you get this one over here. You know, Asian finishes at about 8, 9 o'clock, which is about now. So Asian dies down over here. London opens at 8. New York opens at 1. And there we go. So if you're looking at US pairs, it's probably going to be best to look at that at 1 o'clock. Okay. If you're looking at GBP pairs, best to look at 7, half 7, 8, which is what we're doing. So you have to try and look where there's volume, because when there's volume, there's good ranges to fill, etc., etc. I mean, at the moment there isn't, because GJ's just been a bitch, but most of the year, anyway. Most of the year. So yeah, beautiful. Did anyone else in Zoom take some trades today? Anyone else? Anyone else? But very, very chalked. I mean, the only trades today would have been gold over here. I really like that one. You guys all spoke about this one at 7:30. Pretty good, exceeding these highs over here.
Yeah, that one
Hit break even, did it?
got break even for me. Yeah.
So let's take a look then. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. So, yeah, this candle here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Just like GJ did the other day.
So maybe, yeah, so 17 pips or 7, 8 pips. Let's go look at the 30. So if you got in here, did you have to wait for the next candle? Oh, I would hit 10, yeah. Maybe the 5 minutes over here were just a bit of a pain in the ass. That candle here was a bit scary, wasn't it? So, but at least you still can re-enter. Just wait for the candles. 8 o'clock, let it do its thing. 8:15, wait for the lower wick, and then boom, nice. No trades yet? Yeah, me too. Me too. We still chilling. GJ is still playing. Holy fuck. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. Won't be long. Hot in this room, holy shit. I might enter gold if 1 hour close is above. Let's take a look over here. The only issue is for me is it's tapped the resistance zone for me. So, for me, I think gold buys is going to be nice later on when we exceed these highs over here. Because you just tap the little resistance over here. But for someone who has a runner on here, you could be very, very nicely in some trades. But you can see, look, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, so you need to be careful. Now, I think maybe if you wanted to take some gold, maybe wait until NY, because you probably missed the move. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, got another hour left. Okay. It's coming up over here. Nice. That stupid 5 minute candle just cut my runner out. Gold scalps are yum. Seems to be everyone liking the gold scalps over here. Nice. So GBP AUD did the exact move we wanted. You know, came all the way down over here. Wow, before 8 o'clock, I actually hit it. Damn, son. Let's see how many subscribers right now. 1,188. Shee. New York equals NY. London equals L. Fucking L in the chat. That's what it is. GJ.
Yeah,
L
you might
right
see some strength in AUD over the next week, because everything's opening back up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they've been in lockdowns, but most of the states are opening back up. So
thank you for that. So yeah, let's take a look over here. Let's see in the higher time frames what is normally priced in. Let's take a look over here. So when we both went into lockdown, which was here. Yeah, so this is where it should be. Come down. Yeah. Let's take a look at the weeklies over here. Holy smokes. Damn. It's like 2009. Holy shit. Yeah, well that's good then. Thank God. I bet you're happy with that. Holy shit.
yeah,
Thank fuck.
it's been tough.
Yeah, man.
I'm in Melbourne, and it's the most lockdown city in the world now.
Oh my God. Pain in the ass. Did you have a lot of deaths today? Like, is it?
Yeah, most of the country is vaccinated now. I think there was about 6 or 7.
That just doesn't make any sense to me. Oh my God.
Yeah, no.
6 or 7. More people probably died from fucking suicide that day in Australia. Like, it's just ridiculous.
That's what I was saying. The suicide rates are like some of the highest that
Yeah.
they've been. You know.
I know, that's fucking stupid. Anyway. Very, very silly. I really think about to stop trading GJ. Got 2 trades of GJ so far, both break even. The last one missed the TP by literally 1 pip. I don't think you should stop it by that. It's kind of testing your patience over here. I think you should maybe just leave it for a while. I think GJ is pretty shit at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. It has been a garbage for quite a while now. It's having these really nice moves over here on one day, and then the rest it just fucking ranges. And then moves through Asian. So that's just what you're gonna do over here. But I know throughout the if you do this 12 months, GJ is good. It's just at the moment we've picked a little patchy part where it's a bit shite. But that's what you gotta do. Holy smokes. Nice. 33 pips. Okay. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. I think it's just testing your discipline. It's testing your patience. A lot of people get pissed off one pair, move to another pair, and you never master one pair. So, Max, can you sell USDJPY if you like? If you like, yeah, go for it. But as I said before, USDJPY there won't be any volume because none of the exchanges are open. This is someone's setup. Look at the volume. Like, why would you try and trade it? I just don't get it. Why don't you look at a pair like this, which is moving nicely, or like this, who's starting to form some confirmations over here, instead of a very, very slow pair. Like, look at it. Oh. I'd
say it's good for a beginner.
What, USDJPY?
Yeah,
because it moves fucking like a snail. Yeah, that's true. I'm also soon stopping to trade too, because GJ and GU just not good. Well, what would you go instead? I don't think you should stop just because of like a couple weeks. I think you could stop maybe if 3 months are bad, but think just at the moment is very, very better. But it is testing your discipline, man. That's all the thing of trading. You know, you have to be confident. If you want to be confident, what you have to do is you have to go back. Maybe use soft forex simulation sessions and go back and just give yourself some confidence with different months. Do different months from last year. Get your confidence back up. Gets your confidence back up, makes you feel good. All them good stuff, guys. And yeah. Let's take a look at flipping again. GJ must be sells now. Doesn't look like it to me. So, you know, this is what I'm talking about over here, right? This is price action to the T. This candle came down, broke, right? The next 8 o'clock candle wicked up. All the people trying to get into sells there to be fucking the ass. It goes back in the zone. So this is zone 1. Oh shit, 1 second. Why doesn't it let me do that at the moment? It's really pissing me off. This is zone 1. This is zone 2. Okay? Let me write this over here. 1, 2. Okay? Now, because you're in zone 1 and zone 2, this candle over here closed back into zone 1. This candle here came down but didn't close in zone 2. This candle here closed but didn't close in zone 2. This candle now is pushing up and filling up zone 1. So nothing is in zone 2 anymore. This was because it closed in, and if we were the top wicket and flip, that would have been nice. But it didn't. It closed back in zone 1. So zone 1 is where we're at right now. And if we do break above over here, that's good. If we close below over here, that's good as well. But at the moment we are in zone 1, and you have to be careful because, you know, this could wick up and then start driving down. You have to wait for closures. There is no sells, there are no buys. It is complete waffle for any of them. And if you're taking any trades on GJ now, you're trying to get into some FOMO, I think, because there is no trades over here. And that's what it is. That's all she wrote, man. But yeah, Max, if you have free time, think about start trading podcast, talk about psychology, mindset. Yeah, I could do, but I think it's already quite saturated. Let's take a look over here. I think he's what you got trading, not has one. Wow, he's got 81,000 subscribers now. Damn. How to win, optimize wealth. He started to beat the markets. Yeah, he doesn't really do much about psychology. I'm assuming they talk about it in there. Yeah, look at this volume, man. That's why you don't trade it, man. Dude, look at gold flying. Holy smokes! Look at the 5 minute now starting to come up over here. Looking tasty, looking absolutely tasty. What is the meaning of FOMO? Fear of missing out. So normally people take some trades because they're fearing of missing out on the move, which is not the thing to do, guys. You can't do that FOMO stuff. Don't be doing that FOMO stuff, guys. Don't be doing it. And yeah. No bother, no bother. And yeah, so let's see what time it is now. We know at 9:30 the volume starts to die down, but does it actually at the moment because the charts are so chalked over here. Yeah, it's coming towards 9 o'clock now, so it will start to relax in a sec, which is fine. Look at that, GBP/USD, very, very chalked over here. Not good price action at all, guys, at all. And yeah, GJ is still chilling over here. I'm gonna give it maybe 15 more minutes to see what happens, but if not, I'll call that a day over here. Unfortunately, a chalked session. Chalked. Yeah, let me order these guys very, very soon. I'm glad they're sweat and water resistant. That's pretty good. Oh, they don't have noise cancellation. That's a bit of a shame. Oh well. I've got my Sonys for them. The GJ 5-minute chart is a mess. Yep. Look at that. It's like, what is going on, man? What is going on? Hell no. Hell no. Yeah, it is not the best at all. But, you know, identifying that is what you gotta do, man. You gotta do. If you guys have enjoyed the stream though and learned a lot about, you know, zones, price action, waiting for closures, waiting to identify stuff, make sure you give a like on the stream and subscribe if you haven't already. As I said, it helps us all out because we can do more giveaways. I do giveaways every month for magic keys and all that good stuff. So yeah. So we got an hourly closure over here. Nice. Got a 13 pip range to the top, but look at the 5 minutes over here. GJ is ranging within 90 to 100 pips, and we should wait for a break to break it. Yeah, very, very true. It is in quite a big range over here. It's starting to make some support now, which is good. So I'll give it another 15 minutes over here. We shall see. We shall see if we can get a closure over here. So hours, yeah, we've got an hour left. Not too bad of this candle, but we'll see. So it does have a little minor resistance at this time over here because it is very, very choppy. So for me, I'm gonna want enclosures above. Should exceed these highs over here. Break these all-time highs, boy. Oh, fuck. I need to get some more of that vape juice. Gold may flip up H4 up to 1786. Yeah. I think so. Hopefully your runners can stay on over here. And it could be quite nice. Oh my god, look at GJ. Holy shit. People are trying to take these trades over here. Fucking God bless your souls over here. Just ran down 10 pips nearly. Oh! Which is not good, man. GJ can come down again. GJ can come down. GJ can come down, up, down, left, right. I fucking don't know anymore. It's just so volatile and so like, look at this, like, what is going on, man? Look, it just tapped this zone, and now it's just ran back up 5 pips. Oh my god, GJ, stay away from GJ. It is gonna slap you in the ass. No. I may have a look later on in the next hour because at the moment it looks like Asian has been working, and between 9:30 and 11:30 could be a little move, so we'll have to see over here. But wow, I mean, GJ is playing with GJ and GU no go area. No go, yes, there's a no go area. Okay, so gold now starting to come now, close to the 30, made the lower wick, should continue. Tasty, as the runners I said over here, could be pretty tasty to have on, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty nice runners here, which could be pretty good. But yeah, nothing really much going on over here. I'm gonna leave off over here, guys, because there's no more setups for us. Gold was the star of the show over here, with closures above, like here, which are pretty tasty. And yeah, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. before you guys go, make sure to like the stream. Let's try and hit to 80 likes. We need 16 more people to just like the stream before we leave. And I'll see you guys for NY session if you're in the mentorship. If you do want to join the mentorship, to join the NY session with me, I'll put it down in the description. Thank you so much, and yeah, thank you very, very much. I'll do my little send-off thing over here. This one now. Peace out. Peace out, chat.